Tolva now do new dual PC setups from beginner to intermediate and advanced. To have a dual PC setup, you will need two PCs and the right cables. You can start with 1080p, 1440p or 4K streaming PC setup and at least two monitors. Tolva is the first UK-based PC specialist to offer dual PC setups. As time moves on, people want more and more from their PCs. One PC for gaming online for serious streamers is just not enough. If you are a competitor or an esports professional, you need to make sure instability is not an issue, as well as drop frames and dropped packets. One PC cannot handle it no matter how robust your CPU or GPU is. Example, an old PC using top-tier Core i7 CPU and GTX 1080 Ti will not be stable for competitive play. But two lower-end versions in the same age group would be better and more stable than one single RTX 3090 and a 10900K in one available build. So in general, two Core i7s like the Coffee Lake 8700K in a main rig with a GTX 1070 Ti and the streaming rig GTX 1060 and a Core i7 any tier would run better and more stable too. The streaming PC can handle all the complicated processing of overlays, internet and sound carried from streaming PC to the gaming one, as well as music, game control, capture cards, separate monitors, stream decks and more. The other PC, which is your gaming one, only has to worry about gaming. Why choose Tolva? We are the only company globally that can provide you with everything you need to purchase and set up your dual stream PCs. Tolva will include step-by-step guides and troubleshooting tips and what we recommend to enhance your setup. We will also provide a complete setup tour for Streamlabs, which will include your overlay setup, camera and widgets to help you stream straight away.